Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Rakuten Advertising for US affiliate partnerships. To get started with Rakuten Advertising for US affiliate partnerships, first, visit the Rakuten Advertising website. Once you are on the home page, look for the Join or Sign Up button. Click on it to begin the registration process. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and any pertinent details about your business. After completing the form, submit your application. You will receive a confirmation email. Open the email and follow the provided link to verify your account. Log in to your newly created account using your credentials. Next, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you will find various resources to help you familiarize yourself with the platform. Take a moment to explore the interface. Now, it's time to set up your profile. Locate the Profile section in the dashboard. Provide information about your business, including your website URL and description. Make sure to highlight what makes your platform unique. Once your profile is complete, save the changes. Next, you'll want to browse available affiliate programs. Go to the Advertisers section in the dashboard. Search for brands or products that align with your niche. Review their commission rates and terms. Select a few programs that interest you and click Apply. Your applications will be reviewed by the respective advertisers. Once approved, you will receive notifications. Now, you can generate affiliate links. In the dashboard, find the products you want to promote. Click on the Get Link button next to the chosen product. Copy the unique affiliate link provided. Begin integrating these links into your content. You can use them in blog posts, social media, or email newsletters. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.